Good morning. Today we are starting with example number 1, page 91. For all n greater equal to 1, prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to n plus 1 twice n plus 1 by 6 for all n belongs to n. Now we know that this is a sum of first n natural number square, right? That is, in other words, this is sigma r square. R is equal to 1 to n. R is equal to 1 to n is equal to n plus 1 twice n plus 1 by 6 for all n belongs to n, right? So we are writing this as a Pn. So Pn is given here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus n square is equal to n plus 1 twice n plus 1 by 6 where n belongs to capital N, right? As we discussed in last lecture, we have to prove this for n is equal to 1 is true, then assuming that it's true for n is equal to k, and assuming that it is true for n is equal to k, we are proving that it's true for n is equal to k plus 1. So starting with n is equal to 1, our first step, f for n is equal to 1, your left hand side will be, left hand side is for n is equal to 1 means first term, that is 1 square is 1, and right hand side will be, right hand side substituting n is equal to 1, put n equal to 1 here, what we get? 1 plus 1, n equal to 1, that is 2 plus 1 by 6. So this is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, divide by 6. Now 2 into 3 6, divide by 6 is 1. That is, left hand side and right hand side are equal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, P1 is true. P1 is true. Now we assume that suppose Pk is true, so then Pk be true. That is, you know what to do? Remove all n by substituting k. So writing k instead of n, Pk will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus. Now you have to remove n by k. So this becomes k square is equal to, right, k here. So this is k. This becomes k plus 1. This is twice k plus 1 by 6 where k belongs to n. Where k belongs to n. And say this is reason number 1 as usual. Right? Now, to prove that Pk is true, we have to prove Pk plus 1 is true. Right? So, to prove that Pk is true, we prove that P k plus 1 is true. We prove that P k plus 1 is true. That is, to prove that, now you know you have to remove this k by k plus 1. So what to do? Write down the left hand side of Pk as it is. आपको क्या करना है? ये Pk की जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है वो as it is लिखना है. So that is 1 square plus 2 square plus dash plus k square, right? And then write k plus 1 instead of k, right? k plus 1 whole square is equal to, now substitute k plus 1 here, what we get, k plus 1 into bracket, instead of k writes k plus 1, so this is k plus 1 plus 1, right? Now putting again k instead of k plus 1, so this is k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6, right? That is, to prove that this is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus k square plus k plus 1 whole square is equal to, now this is k plus 1, now this k plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2, so k plus 1 k plus 2, and this is 2k plus 2 plus 1, that is 2k plus 3, so this is 2k plus 3 divided by 6. So this is your left hand side and you have to prove this is, that is your right hand side. So taking left hand side is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dash plus k square plus k plus 1 whole square. Now you know that left hand side of pk plus 1 up to k term is your result number 1. So applying this result number 1, see here, this is 1 square plus 2 square up to k square, and this is 1 square plus 2 square up to k square. So answer of this is always result number 1. So substituting that value, what is your answer? K plus 1 twice k plus 1 divided by 6. This is your answer. And this is again k plus 1 whole square. So k plus 1 whole square as it is, this is by reason number 1. Right? Now taking LCM, so this is k plus 1 twice k plus 1 plus 6 times k plus 1 whole square whole upon 6. Now see, this is k plus 1 is common. So I am taking k plus 1 common and writing here. Right. So this is your left hand side. K plus 1 is common. So remaining term will be k into 2k plus 1. So k into 2k plus 1 plus 6 times 1k plus 1 is remaining here. So 1k plus 1 whole upon 6. Right? So now this is k plus 1. Multiplying this, what we get? 2k square plus k plus 6k plus 1 divided by 6, right? Now this is 2k square plus 7k plus 1, so this is k plus 1 2k square plus 7k plus 1 divided by 6. Now sorry, this is 6k plus 6k plus 6, so this is plus 6. Now 6 into 2 12, right? And 4 3s are 12, so 6 into 2 into 6 is equal to 12, and 12 is 4 into 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So your factor is 4. So we are splitting out this 7k as 4k plus 3k. So what we get here? So this is k plus 1 2k square plus 4k plus 3k plus 6 whole upon 6. Again there is a problem for space, so I am writing here, right? So left hand side will be k plus 1 as it is, so k plus 1 as it is, Now this, from these two terms, taking 2k common, so twice k is common. So remaining will be k plus 2, right? So k plus 2. Taking 3 common from these two terms, right? From these two terms taking 2 common, so plus 2 common, sorry 3 common, so 3 common, that is k plus 2 whole upon 6. Now taking k plus 1 common from this, so this is k plus 1, k plus 2 common, twice k plus 3 divided by 6, and see what is this? This is what we want to prove. K plus 1, k plus 2, twice k plus 3 divided by 6. That is, this is your right hand side. This is your right hand side. So from here you have to come here, right? That is, therefore P k plus 1 is true, right? So pk plus 1 is true. So therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also p1 is true. Therefore by PMI, Pn is true for all n belongs to n. Either instead of this, you can write like this also, for all n belongs to n. Right? So this is how to solve the examples. So now example number 2, page 96. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash plus n cube is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. N belongs to n. Right? So we write that this is Pn. Pn is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash plus n cube is equal to n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. N belongs to n. So as usual, right, taking n is equal to 1, that is for n is equal to 1, left hand side is n equal to 1 means first term. So first term is 1 cube, that is 1, and right hand side substituting n is equal to 1 here, substituting n equal to 1 here, what we get? 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 4. Now 1 plus 1 whole square means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 square is 4 divided by 4, that is 1. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore P1 is true. Therefore P1 is true. Right? Now next step. Let Pk be true. Pk be true. Right? That is substituting k instead of n in Pn. So what we get? Pk. आपको पता है ना, ये जो Pn दिया है इसमें आपको सिंपली n की जगह पे k लिख देना है Pk के लिए. इसमें कुछ नहीं करना. इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप जो है वो कौन सा है? Pk प्लस 1 वाला. आपको वही केयरफुली लिखना है. अगर ये आपको पता चल गया कैसे लिखना है, आपने सही लिख दिया, तो ये एग्जाम्पल में कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंपल सिंप्लीफिकेशन ही है. राइट? पीएम के सब पीएमआई के जो सभी एग्जाम्पल्स है वो ऐसे ही आपको करना है. एक स्ट्रक्चर बना लो, इसमें आप वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते जाओ, आपका आंसर आता जाएगा. राइट? सो पीके इज 1 क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब प्लस 3 क्यूब, राइट, प्लस dash. Now replace n by k, so that is k cube is equal to k square into k plus 1 whole square divided by 4, where k belongs to n, and this is your result number 1. This is your result number 1. Right? Now to prove that pk is true, we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. So to prove that pk is true, we prove that p k plus 1 is true. P k plus 1 is true. That is, to prove that, now what to do? You know, write down left hand side of pk as it is. So to prove that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus s plus k cube. Right? So write down for pk plus 1 left hand side of pk as it is. So pk as it is. Now replace k by k plus 1. So k plus 1 whole cube is equal to k square. You have to replace k by k plus 1. So k plus 1 whole square. Then replace k by k plus 1. See, write properly here. I am replacing k by k plus 1 and then plus 1 whole square. Got it? समझ में आई ना? k की जगह पे k plus 1 लिख दिया. k is replaced by k plus 1 and then this is plus 1. Got it? Whole upon 4. Right? So simplification of this is k plus 1 whole square and this is k plus 1 plus 1. That is k plus 2. So k plus 2 whole square divided by 4. So this is, you have to prove. So this is your left hand side, your and this is right hand side. So now left hand side. So left hand side is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus dash plus k cube plus k plus 1 whole cube. This is your left hand side. Now you all know that in left hand side of this, the term up to k cube, that is term up to k term, terms up to k term is always left hand side of result number 1, is always left hand side of result number 1. So putting the value of this, what we get? This is k square, k plus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus k plus 1 whole cube. This is due to reason number 1. Now taking LCM, what we get? This is equal to k square, k plus 1 whole square plus 4 times k plus 1 whole cube divided by 4 divided by 4. Now k plus 1 whole square is the common. So taking k plus 1 whole square and we require also k plus 1. K plus 1 whole square. See here, we require k plus 1 whole square common. Right? So k plus 1 whole square common. The remaining term will be k square plus 4 times 1 k plus 1 remaining. So k plus 1 divided by 4. Divided by 4. Now simplification of this. So this is k plus 1 whole square and this is k square plus 4k plus 4 divided by 4. So what is this? This is the perfect square. K square plus 2 whole square. You know, k plus 2 whole square is k square plus 2 times AB. That is 2 times twice k plus 2 square is 4. So k square plus 4k plus 4. So this is k plus 1 whole square. This is k plus 2 whole square. K plus 2 whole square. Right? And divide by 4. This is what you want to prove. So that means this is your right hand side. And right hand side means pk plus 1 is true. Right? So therefore p k plus 1 is true. Right? So therefore pk implies pk plus 1 is true. Also p1 is true, right? So therefore by PMI for all n belongs to n, for all n belongs to n, Pn is true. For all n belongs to n, Pn is true. So next is example number 1. Given that 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash 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 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1 by 2. So as usual we are taking this as a Pn. So given statement Pn is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 3 raised to n minus 1 by 2. N belongs to n. Right? Now first step, for n is equal to 1, left hand side, n is equal to 1, left hand side means first term, so that is 1, and right hand side is substituting n equal to 1 here, 3 raised to 1 minus 1 by 2, substituting n equal to 1 here. So what is the answer? 3 raised to 1 is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2, divide by 2, that is 1. That is, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, so P1 is true. P1 is true. So next step is let Pk be true. So what to do? Substitute k instead of n in Pn. So your Pk will be, so Pk, writing k instead of n, otherwise or replacing n by k. What we get? 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus 3 raised to k minus 1, right? Replacing n by k. So is equal to 3 raised to k minus 1 by 2. K belongs to n, and as usual this is result number 1, right? So next step will be to prove Pk is true. We prove that Pk plus 1 is true. We prove that Pk plus 1 is true. That is, what to do? You have to write, for writing Pk plus 1, keep in mind, for writing k plus 1 term, that is Pk plus 1, write down Pk left hand side as it is. This is important step. Write down Pk's left hand side as it is. So that is 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash dash dash. That is, to prove that 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus 3 raised to k minus 1. Write down left hand side of Pk as it is. So this is as it is. Now replace k by k plus 1. So plus 3. Instead of k I am writing k plus 1. And this is minus 1 already there. Got it? Is equal to, k is replaced by k plus 1. So 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Right? That is to prove that 1 plus 3 plus 3 square plus dash 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 plus 3 raised to k, right, minus 1. And what is this? 1 will be cut. So plus 3 raised to k is equal to 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So now your goal or target is to prove this is equal to this. So taking left hand side. So next step, left hand side is 1 plus 3 square, right? Plus dash plus 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 3 raised to k plus 3 raised to k. This is your left hand side. Now you know. Yes, now you know. The left hand side, the term up to kth term, that is 3 raised to k minus 1 is the left hand side, right? This is the answer of this, right? So what is the answer of this? 3 raised to k minus 1 by 2 using reason number 1. So 3 raised to k minus 1 by 2 and plus, right? This is 3 raised to k. So value of this is result number 1 as usual, you know, right? So एग्जाम्पल्स में कोई भी एग्जाम्पल होगा पीएमआई का, आपको पीके प्लस 1 की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ये लास्ट टर्म छोड़ के जो टर्म्स आती है वो टर्म को आंसर क्या आएगा? रिजल्ट नंबर 1, राइट? सो दिस इज बाय 1. अब क्या करेंगे? टेकिंग एलसीएम, तो क्या होगा? 3 raised to k minus 1 plus 2 e times, right? So be aware of this. For multiplying this 2 times this is 3 raised to k. So use proper brackets, right? Whole upon 2. Now this is 2 times 3 raised to k and this is 1 times 3 raised to k. That is 3 times 3 raised to k. So this is 3 times 3 raised to k minus 1 whole upon 2. Now rules of exponent you know. Base are same. You have one formula, a raised to m plus n. Then answer is a raised to m into a raised to n. Means if base are same, then you have to add the power, right? So what is the answer of this? So this is 3 raised to k plus 1. Power of this is 1. So 3 raised to k plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So what is this? What you want to prove? So that is, this is your right hand side, right? Therefore p k plus 1 is true. Therefore pk implies p k plus 1 is true. Also p 1 is true. Therefore by PMI for all n belongs to n, Pn is